Not of Christmas la. Of Christmas la. Then he needs to say, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Help me, Daddy. Not here, not in this house. No. I want no Muslim. I couldn't do that. Don't insult people. They've already insulted your mother. I'm just paying back the favor. I want Muslim. Muzana no. I want Muslim. Yeah. I want Muslim.
No, Babaru.
Muslim. I want Muslim. Muslim.
Oh, ma'am. I
want Muslim. Washona kanjani lo baba lo baba lapha ushona kanjani ushona ushona lapha lo baba lo
mina ngiyaqala
how did you die
wena ufuna ukushona lapha ngoba niyafana
ngilobolile kodwa
niyafana naye welobolile tshela uba uhamba naye
fine no it's not going to stop Tracy it's not going to stop
uthunjani
it's not going to stop no Tracy you were at home just now suddenly isibese lenza wena ban love
did I not call you
say what fine keep the girl give me my boy give me my boy fair enough just give him my boy he's sleeping because it is noise that is outside.
I'm not going to wake him up because
but you can wake him up.
You will see him in the morning.
No. Only way I live here is under arrest. I'm not leaving. I'm within my rights. How am I getting over the case of kidnapping? You're keeping my kids. You are willfully keeping my kids away from me. Willfully keeping my kids away from me. You don't get into that.
Felix Hassan.
Ngeke zingahambe ma.
Asambe se police station sovula icala.
Angindawo nawe ma. Angindawo wena usikhombisa umama ngemama. Umsangano nje bomama. Umsangano nje bomama.
Cha vele ufuna labo mama uzowabreka utshwala.
Whatever yenze kuwena kufanele. Yeah.
Nawe lesazokwenzeka kufanele. Wena. Uyini? Wena uyini? Ngomuzi nje ngebond.
Ukazi yini mina?
Ngebond.
Yini ezokwenza mina mucabanga sami? Ukuzokwenza.
Ngoba wena wakho ungebond lo.
Singazo Christmas la. 100%.
Exactly. So
and I will not make a noise.
And you already said, what did you say in front of Lisa? That I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you.
Tracy.
When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left you, you're throwing that in my face. I'm being here. I stand with you.
Phoyisa ngcono ngoba uyazibonela angithi uthi imina manje ngithele akenze kanje njengoba ngithuli esho zonke lezi zinto ayishoyo even bekhuluma lapho nomngani wakhe bethi baya koBhalita ngangimnqandela ukuthi anikwazi ukuthi ningane inohlala nodwa ozani la ekhaya hamba nengane ezincane endala hamba ubusuku behamba sengingayazi ngiyamsiza ngihleli nengane zakhe
ayikho into emsiza wena ubone umshado wakhe manje awulive
hawu
ayikho into emsiza yona ayikho into emsiza yona
mina I don't agree
ayikho into emsiza yona ayikho into emsiza yona
mina ngiyakhetha
you grandstanding but you grandstanding what you're doing is you grandstanding on this situation. I don't know you from about so I've never met you.
Wena wazuka umuntu emhlabeni.
No. How is it that you have the best interest more than the mother?
How?
You don't have the you have engaged, you have called to this house a father that has never been ever paid a single cent of school fees that I've been mina
ngimbizile
ufunani la
ufunani la ikwami
he's never showed up
mina enginemvumo yokuvumela
yabona mina nginengane ngihlawuliwe zonke izihlawuli zenza lisiko zonke yes zonke angimkweleti inkomo lo mama ngimbesile ngazamkhehla lo baba ukhuluma ngaye akazahlawule nesent zonke ingane zakhe including le akazayihlawuli wena usumbiza noma inkosazi wakhe yes inkosazi wakhe loyo
babizwe yimi
who was a best friend and slept with indoda uzomfaka la endlini azokhuluma indaba zomuzi wami illegitimate people
ubizwe yimi ngibavelaphi
okay ukuthi babizwe wena you allow them here you're calling me to a meeting with illegitimate people
inkinga wena ufuna senze izinto ngepace yakho.
No, even some. So I can't have a Christmas. I can't have a Christmas with my own family. Because you
Kuba
say,
nokuvimbile.
wena uvimbile.
Ngikuvimbele.
Ufike nje uzolindingane la. Ufike uzolindingane la.
Wena nje ukuthi uyikhulumela into ngokuthanda kwakho ngoba ujwayele la ukhuluma khona ukuthi awuphikiswe. Ugcina wena. Awufuni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ama facts. Awufuni ukulazi iqiniso.
You do the same for your children. You do the same for your children. You will do the same for all your children. What I'm doing today here, you will do the same. In fact, you will do worse for your children. I'm just doing whatever I can for my kids.
Yo, we need to go cook for Christmas, bruh.
In fact, I came to claim my wife also.
Okay. Mr. Felix?